I get it. I get it. You guys want the 3.0 tutorial. You guys want the Makeship tutorial. Well, you're getting one of them. And you got on the other one. And you might be thinking, what do you mean by that? Let's find out, shall we? So, you are getting the Makeship plushie tutorial. Because I'm getting the official pattern. Because do you guys remember what I said during the Christmas Q&A? Probably if Makeship and Galore Tag team up to make another Galore Tag plushie. Other than that, you will probably never see a tutorial of this plushie. And they did. So obviously I had to save money up to get the actual pattern by opening up commissions, and guys, you guys delivered. And guys, you deserve it. So, that's right, the Makeship plushie tutorial will be coming out in... Oh, crap. I don't have the release date. But I can promise you this. It will be coming before summer. And I'll be adjusting the pattern a little bit, so it will be more simple for you guys to make. Speaking of patterns that need to be adjusted.
Monkey doesn't wear any pants.
Him, yeah. Don't get me started on. And the 3.0 plushie is the one that you guys got on by giving me to 10,000 subscribers. Hey, don't look at him. Look at me. Yeah, no. Hey. Yeah, don't mind the guy. All jokes aside, bro. We're very close to 10K, and I thought it would be reasonable for the 3.0 tutorial to be at 10K special. And why am I holding on for that? Because one, I have no other way to celebrate 10K other than that. Two, it took me months to make. I mean, think about it. The pattern itself, and the embroidery around the face, that takes very long. So if you're not subscribed yet, you should take 1 second of your life subscribing to me, so I can spend months on making another one for a tutorial. I mean, we're literally close to 9,700 subscribers, so considering that, that'll be 300 more, and if you know, you know. Now moving on to a Lucy tutorial. Will it happen? Absolutely not. For 2 reasons. I made this pattern out of scratch. You hear me? Scratch! Don't get me started on the frickin' fingers. They were a pain in my ass. Oh. Ugh. What he was saying is, the pattern is very valuable to him, you know. He worked very hard on it, and he doesn't want to give it out to anybody. It's like a Wish guy with a bank, and he doesn't want to reveal his credit card number. It's kind of like that. And the Fangirls, on the other hand, they're harder to manage than the little kids in Galore Tag. Believe me, I'm a moderator. You see my stick I threw at him? Yeah, I think he's dead. Or was I? What intonation? No, I'm gonna talk when I want to talk, okay? And I don't want any of... Hey, Emerald, you wanna play mini games? What else do you expect? Now, on with the news about the stupid Monkey Bros. You know, my Plush series. Almost half of the scripts for season 1 are finished. One of the episodes, I'm gonna let my brother pick the idea and concept on it, so when it does come out, let me know if you can tell if it's his or not. And I'm planning on making one of the most important sets in the entire series. The house. So, yeah, I'm gonna probably get to work on that this month. And if I don't, then you guys can unsubscribe. And somebody joined the team for putting in sound effects. And it's my good friend, the real FNAF Bros. So shout out to him. He's gonna be voicing this character. aka Max, in the Stupid Monkey Bros series, and he's also gonna do the sounds. And I hope the Stupid Monkey Bros can start recording around late spring to summer. So when I do, I will be posting updates. And if you thought that wasn't impressive, wait until you hear this. I will be hiring voice actors after filming. So yeah, one day somebody's gonna be voicing 2 of these bozos right here. How cool is that? And I'm planning on buying props and things for the plushies. And it's gonna cost around $350. And I'm not gonna be begging for money like last time.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
And I'm gonna be earning money, saving money, all the way for that. And commissions are not open right now, so you can still buy the things that I have listed on my Mercari, but otherwise, yeah. And if you want to see a rough draft of what the Stupid Monkey Bros is gonna be like, then go down in the description below. There should be a link to that video. So yeah, that's all I needed to talk about. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.